Today is an exciting day. We're tuning the Supra for 500 wheel horsepower. Last night we flashed the 93 tune, did some data logs, sent them back to the tuner. The weather was crap, so we decided to wait till today when it's sunny to do the ethanol tunes because we're gonna have a lot more power. Oh my God, I can't see nothing. Do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the car warm up for just a second. We got to go to the gas station. We got to get ethanol in the car. We're trying to shoot for like an in between, like an E40 E50 mixture, and then we're gonna come back to the garage, flash the ethanol map, and do some pulls. The car already sounds way different with the 93 stage 2 map on compared to just the factory map with the downpipe and the open turn down tip. But yeah, let's go. So we got to figure out our ethanol content and what we're working with here. I got my trusty dusty Holley test tube. I forgot my white lab coat. This is actually glass. Oh, ouch. I'm not gonna do this every time. This is like a baseline to see what this gas station runs at here. It is pretty controlled. That's probably way too much. Now we just fill ethanol up to the top line. I went a little past. It's all right. All right, guys, so it's a little past like 85, but we filled it up a little bit past the top line. So I'd say this is exactly like 85% ethanol. Sheets coming through on the precise.
What's up, guys?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Bad.
What's going on?
Just getting some gas, getting some fuel.
All right.
How's it going?
Documenting.
Documenting?
Yep.
We're making a documentary.
Yeah.
On what?
How to live life in the fast lane.
Yeah.
You got the car.
Yep.
We should be on, we're hoping to get on Netflix by next year.
All right.
So.
We're trying to get right under Tiger King in those ratings.
Well, that's right now it's tough. All right.
All right.
Alrighty, you have a good one.
Thanks.
Oh!
Nice.
I'd say we're full, we're full.
Oh no.
We're full. All right, guys, made it back to the garage. Anyways, EcuTek software can't be ran on a Mac. I got this old computer from the shop, old Toshiba. Hopefully it works. This is what I used to do like all the EFI Live stuff on for like Duramaxes and stuff before, you know, like right before EasyLink came out. This is the OG tuning computer from MDM Performance. Alright, that's it. We're on. Ethanol tune is flashed, live, EcuTek. Real easy actually. Now what we gotta do is go do some data logs, send them over to our guy and make sure we're safe. And this puppy should be cranking about 505 horsepower to the wheels, which is crazy. Alright guys, we made it to our testing spot, secret testing spot. We're gonna start our data log now for our tuner. Put it in sport mode. Turn traction control off. Because who wants that? That's lame. Dude. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Wow. It
is insane.
It's insane. We're gonna do a little pull here for him, then we get some data. Whoa! It rips. Like it rips. That literally has my I'm like my heart's beating. She's a ripper.
Supercar killer.
I don't even know where my phone went. It's gone. We're gonna do like a 20 roll punch here. Ready? Alright, one more launch. Final run on the data log. Let me make sure we're still data logging. Alright, yeah, we're still going. Ready? Dude! Oh my god! This is... yeah, I think it's time. Alright, we're gonna send that tune over. See what he says. Dude, 50-mile-an-hour rolling burnout. What's up, dude?
Yeah, what's going on, man? Is that thing running good now or what?
Holy shit, dude. I'm scared. I'm honestly a little scared.
Nah, it'll pretty good if you're making 500.
We just did a pull on the highway in the tunnels.
Public safety kicking us out.
You gotta roll. They said you gotta go. Alright guys, we just got back to the garage. Oh my god, the car is literally so fast. Like, I wasn't expecting it to get like this much power out of that. I know it was gonna run like 500 potentially, but just for like a little like baseline here, that BMW, he said that was running high fives power, like high 5 wheel horsepower. I know that car was a manual, but whoa. All we have is an ethanol tune with a downpipe. Wow. So we just got back, checked it out. We sent the logs to the tuner. He said everything is in safe parameters. He's gonna make a few adjustments and send back the revised file to us, and then we can flash on the revised file. But everything is operating fully. He just wants to change a few things to maybe get a little more power out of it, just make sure everything's good. But just check this out really quick. Look at this mud. What the heck is that? There's a squirrel or a cat or something that crawled up in here, muddy, and was dragging its tail across the engine cover. Like, what the heck? If you guys seen my last upload with the powerstroke, you would have seen the little chew marks on the battery cover, terminal cover. But yeah, I'm just letting it run real quick to just let everything cool down properly, check all the fluids, make sure everything's solid. But wow. All right, there you go. We're done. Car's cooled down, everything checked out. Tuner actually just got back to me. The car can use a little bit more ethanol, so we're gonna go back to the gas station. We're gonna throw some more ethanol in to get a little more in the tank, and then I'm gonna revise the file. He sent me a revised file, so we're gonna flash that on. Guys, I'm not even like overplaying this. This car is absolutely insane. It is an absolute monster with this ethanol map on here. It is crazy. A simple ethanol map, a race downpipe You could run the full exhaust, but I'm running the turn down tip right now. Definitely, it's over 500 wheel horsepower. As soon as this virus situation goes past, you know, like we get over this, we're gonna go to the dyno and really see what it's putting down. But just from driving it and from, you know, seeing the other cars on the highway, what happened in that tunnel run, okay, so we did the launch. I think I was in like second or third. Car started spinning, so I pedaled it. When I pedaled it, I panicked and like upshipped twice, so I missed third, then hit fourth, and we just bogged past the dude in fourth. Ooh. I will keep you guys updated on this whole procedure. We're probably gonna call it for today because we're getting into a little bit of a long video here. But yeah, stay tuned for some more stuff on the Supra. Hit that subscribe button, join the family, give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was sick. As always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.